Everyone shows you one nice 5-second AI clip and calls it a day. So I want to show you what actually matters. This entire video you're about to watch was made with free AI tools. Watch this.
Space gets all the glory in our search for the unknown. But a much darker frontier lies right beneath our feet. We are going to the deepest, most unforgiving place on Earth. Welcome to the descent. At 1,000 feet, the sunlight begins to die. Inside, the temperature drops. The only sound is the hum of life support. This is the Twilight Zone, a place of fading light and endless shadows. The weight of the water above is already crushing. At 3,000 feet, we enter the midnight zone. Down here, the sun has no power. It is eternally night. But the darkness is far from empty. 90% of the creatures here create their own light. They use it to hunt, to hide, and to survive. Our submarine continues to fall. We are now 2 miles down.
That was made start to finish without paying for a single tool and without me being a video editor. No expensive software, no subscriptions, no stack of apps. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step workflow to build one yourself. A real, long, watchable AI video, not a 5-second demo. Because here's the thing nobody tells you. Making one clip is easy. Holding a whole video together, the plan, the visuals, the voice, the edit, all the way to the end, that's the hard part. And that's where every workflow falls apart. So let me walk you through the chain that actually holds. For the plan, I use a free site called Arena. If you saw my video on it, you already know. It gives you free access to basically every top AI model on the planet, including the best text and reasoning models, which is exactly what we need here. Hop into direct mode, check the leaderboard, and pick whatever the current top text model is. I use it for 2 things. First, if you don't have an idea yet, you ask it to brainstorm some. Stories, mysteries, historical events, weird curiosities, documentary-style topics. The kind of thing that actually holds attention. Then the real magic prompt. You give it your idea, you tell it your target length, say 5 minutes, and you ask it to build the entire video as numbered scene blocks. Each scene is about 5 seconds, and each one comes with 3 things attached. An image prompt, a video prompt, and a line of narration. The model keeps cranking out these numbered scenes until it fills the length you asked for. And that's the moment this stops being abstract. You're not asking AI for a vague script. You're getting a complete shot list, every image, every camera move, every line of voiceover, already in order, ready to produce. Want a longer video? You just raise the target time or tell it to keep going with the next batch of scenes. 5 minutes or 15, the system doesn't care. That's the backbone of the whole thing. Now we follow the numbers. Scene 1's image prompt goes into the image generator, then scene 2, and so on. But here's the wall everybody hits. Long videos need a lot of images, and most free image tools are free right up until they're suddenly not. You generate 6 pictures and bam, limit hit, come back tomorrow. Useless for a long project. The tool I landed on for this is Meta AI. And yeah, the same Meta from Instagram and WhatsApp. You just log in with a Facebook account and it's free, no watermarks. A few things make it genuinely good for this. It gives you multiple options per prompt, so you're picking the strongest one instead of being stuck with the first. It's got an edit feature built in, so if a face is right but the lighting's off, you fix just that detail instead of regenerating the whole thing. And it's got a restyle option that pushes all your images toward the same visual style, so your scenes actually look like they belong in the same video, instead of looking like they came from 10 different places. In my experience, you can push a lot of generations through it without slamming into a wall, which is exactly what a long project needs. Now we bring those images to life, and for the video side, this is where I switch over to Seedance 1.5 Pro. If you saw my video on it, you know why. It's one of the best AI video models out right now. It generates with sound built in, and you can use it free through Byte Plus. It does image to video, which is exactly what we need. So you take your meta image for scene 1, drop it into Seedance as the start frame, and this is where your production map pays off again. You paste in the matching video prompt that Arena already wrote for that scene. You're not making up the motion on the spot. The camera move and the action were planned from the start. Because you're starting from an image you already locked in, the prompt can just focus on movement and what happens in the shot, instead of re-describing the whole scene. Generate it, and if it doesn't land, you tweak the prompt and run that one shot again. That's the chain clicking into place. Meta handles the images, Seedance turns each one into a real clip with motion and sound, and you just move down your numbered list one scene at a time. Now, here's the boring tip that will literally save your project. Save every finished clip named with its scene number. Not the topic, not the date, the scene number. One folder, in order. Because by the time you've made 50, 60, 80 clips and regenerated some of them 3 times, the only thing standing between a finished video and total chaos is whether you can drop them back in the right order without watching every single one. Number them. Trust me on this. Okay, you've got all your clips. Now the narration, and this is where a lot of people get stuck because the good voice tools are paid. 11 Labs is what everyone reaches for, but it's paid, so it's out for a free workflow. What I use instead is a free voice model called Kokoro. It's open source, it's genuinely one of the most natural sounding free voices out there. It's rated about as high as it gets for a free option, and you can use it commercially. There are free browser-based sites that run Kokoro, so you just paste in your narration, pick a voice, generate and download. No account, no card, nothing to install. If you want zero limits for really long videos, you can also run Kokoro locally on your own machine using a free launcher called Pinocchio. It's more setup, but then you can generate unlimited narration, like 10 minutes of audio in one pass, with no quotas at all because it's running on your own hardware. I'll link a deeper tutorial if you want to go that route, but for most people, the browser version is more than enough. Either way, you've got a choice. Generate each line separately so it lines up perfectly with each clip, or generate the whole script as one file so it flows more naturally but needs a bit of lining up in the editor. I go with the single file. The natural flow is worth a few extra minutes. Now we put it all together, and the free editor for this is CapCut. Runs on desktop, phone or browser, totally free. This is where your numbering finally pays off in full. Import all your clips in order. Because you numbered them, this takes seconds instead of an hour. Drop your narration on top and line up each clip with the part of the voiceover it matches. If a clip's a touch too short or too long for its line, just trim it or tweak the speed until it fits. And don't leave it flat. A long video with zero movement gets boring fast. CapCut's got transitions and effects you drag straight onto the timeline. You don't need to overdo every second, but a few clean transitions and some subtle movement make the whole thing feel way more alive and watchable. Once the timing's locked and it flows, you've got a finished long-form video, built start to finish without paying for a thing. By the way, if you're creating content and you're tired of manually posting everywhere, check out repurpose.io. It's a content automation tool. You build a workflow, pick where your content comes from, pick where you want it to go, and once it's set up, repurpose.io automatically publishes it across all your platforms for you. Links in the description. Go try it out. So yeah, you can absolutely build a long, genuinely watchable AI video right now, start to finish, without paying for a single tool. The hard part was never making one clip. It was holding the whole thing together long enough to become a real video. And that's exactly what the production map and the numbering solve. If you want those higher quality cinematic shots in your videos, go check out my video on making free AI video with sound using Seedance. It slots right into this exact workflow. I'll put it on screen now. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in that one.